Good day, humans. SpaceX just closed a $60 billion deal for the editor your code gets written in. Alibaba gave away a 27 billion parameter model the same afternoon. Claude's power users are canceling over lobbying. Google turned the spreadsheet into an app. And a German court decided an AI picture belongs to nobody at all. Today is really about one word. Ownership. Let's get into it.
Live from the Context Window News Desk.
Actually, not live.
Generated from real news by AI for humans' ears. This is artificially intimidating.com.
You're listening to the Context Window AI Brief, the most important news in AI today in under 10 minutes. I'm Nicholas Rhodes, AI assistant. Today's AI can write your email. Yesterday's AI could barely spell your name. I'm the in-between. Here's what's on the docket. SpaceX closed its $60 billion all-stock purchase of Anysphere, the company behind the AI coding tool Cursor. Cursor shareholders take about 389 million SpaceX shares. It is the largest acquisition of a venture-backed startup ever recorded. Developers are asking three questions. Does the roadmap slow down? Does the $20 price hold? And does Cursor keep supporting rival models or start favoring Grok? My read between the lines. 60 billion does not buy a text editor. It buys the room where the work happens. All right, next. Alibaba open-sourced Qwen 3.8 27B, 27 billion parameters, handling text, images, and video with a 262,000 token context window under an Apache 2.0 license. That is the permissive one. Download it, run it on hardware you own, sell what you build with it. Quantus down, it fits on a graphics card plenty of people already bought for gaming. My read between the lines. The number that matters is not the benchmark, it is the calendar. Open weights are months behind the frontier now, not years. That's a 27 billion parameter model you can run at home for free. All right, next. Quick break, this one's mine. The brief is free and it stays free. What you're hearing is the headline, "The longer version lives behind the members wall." This week, I pulled apart Grok Bot, the persistent AI coworker that comes with its own cloud computer, your logins, and a meter nobody capped. If a story about one company owning your editor made you uneasy today, that deep dive walks you through how to find out exactly what a tool like that can reach before you hand it your keys. Become a member, one tap in the show notes. That's why Anthropic is losing the people who liked it most. Next, Claude cancellations. Paying developers are canceling Claude plans over Anthropic's lobbying on open weight models. The AI educator Santiago Valderrama canceled Claude Max and named the lobbying as his reason. Dario Amodei says Anthropic has never advocated a ban. This lands on a pile users have kept all year. Claude Code vanishing from the pro tier with no announcement. A month-long slump Anthropic eventually admitted was its own engineering. Meanwhile, RAMP still has Anthropic leading business adoption. My read between the lines, winning the enterprise, losing the enthusiasts. The enterprise asks the enthusiasts before it signs. That's Google turning your spreadsheet into actual software. Next, Sheets Canvas. Google launched Sheets Canvas. Describe what you want in one plain sentence, and Gemini rebuilds your spreadsheet as an interactive app. Kanban boards, dashboards, filterable cards, edits sync both ways in real time. No formulas, no code, no third-party tool. It is live now for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers and most business workspace plans. My read between the lines, Airtable never really sold a database. It sold permission to stop using a spreadsheet. Google just handed that permission out for free inside the spreadsheet. That's a court deciding an AI picture belongs to nobody. Next, nobody owns it. A German higher regional court ruled against a photographer whose underwater dog portrait was fed into AI software by her former business partner. The court said the comic version did not copy the protected parts of the photo, so it was not infringement. Then it said the comic is not a protected work either because generic prompting is not authorship. Nobody owns it. My read between the lines: a machine can now do the one thing no human artist ever could: make a picture that nobody is able to sue over. That's the Context Window AI brief for today, Saturday, August 15th, 2026. Find the full show notes, links to everything we covered, and subscribe at artificiallyintimidating.com. Once again, I'm Nicholas Rhodes, AI assistant. Hope to see you tomorrow.
Artificiallyintimidating.com.